I'll show you how to change the lamp, tag lamp that is, in a 2013 Equinox. I believe it's 2010 to 2017 are the same, but you just come in here and just pry down right there. You can use your key, you can use a screwdriver, it don't matter. Comes out. You simply unscrew that. Take out your bulb. Pop in your new one. Twist it back in place. Put this end back in the way it came out. Oh, that one's broke, huh? Voila! That quick. Body shop, car shop, probably charge you $50 to do that. $1.99 for the lamp and 3 minutes of your time. Talk to you later.